All right, so on every coordinate plane, every point is plotted, but you have to be able to locate those points, and you locate them with an x coordinate and a y coordinate. The x coordinate tells you the horizontal position of a point, okay? And the y coordinate tells you the vertical position of a point. On the coordinate plane, the point whose coordinates are the ordered pair 0, 0 is called the origin. The origin is the point where the x-axis and y-axis intersect. And when I say intersect, I mean this is where they meet. So here goes our origin at 0, 0. You see the x-axis intersecting with the y-axis. The horizontal position is 0 because it hasn't moved left or right. And the vertical position is 0 because, again, it has not moved left or right. Recall that the x-coordinate tells you the horizontal position of a point. All right? So it tells you how far it's traversing to the left or how far it's traversing to the right. I also want you to understand that if a point lies on the x-axis, then its y-coordinate must be 0 because it hasn't moved up or down. So you're going to have, let's say, the number 2, and the y-coordinate value would be 0 because it has not moved up or down. Look at these examples so you can better understand what I'm talking about. So look at these examples of points that lie on the x-axis. They all have a y-coordinate of 0. So 2, 0 traverses right 2 units, but it doesn't move up or down. So it has a y-coordinate value of 0. Then we have 4, 0. Again, it has a value of 4 units on the x-axis because we had to move from the origin at 0 and go in the rightward direction 1, 2, 3, 4 units, and we did not move vertically upward or downward. Now, for just, good measure, one more example, we have the coordinate located at 9, 0. So you move 9 units to the right, but you did not move vertically up or down 9 units. Understand that if a point lies on the x-axis, it has not moved up or down, okay? So its y-coordinate value, again, must be 0. So you have no movement of any of these points. All right, so let's see if I can go ahead and... All right, so if you have a decimal number, we're going to call this point right here 2.5. This is not an intricate coordinate plane. I don't have decimals delineated here. So let's say your coordinate is 2.5. I hope you guys can see this. This pen is really thin. 2.50. You would plot the number here. And so in your geometry class, you would have little tickers delineating decimal points. A common standard is to have 5 between each one numeral increment. Or let's say that your decimal number was negative 0.51. And just in case you didn't know, when you have a negative on the x-axis, it just indicates that you're moving to the left. I think I said negative 0.51. I meant negative 0.50. So we would say that 0.5 is about here. It's about halfway between 0 and 1. So you've moved 0.5 units to the left, but you haven't traversed in a vertical position up or down, okay? I hope that answers your question. So you could have any number because, again, a number line is a line, and the definition of a line is a straight path that goes infinite amounts of distance in both directions. So it's definitely possible to have a decimal, okay? All right, let's put this back in gear. Again, when graphing a point on the coordinate plane, the y coordinate tells you how far up or down to travel from the origin. This means that the y-axis or the y coordinate would tell you how far to move from the origin parallel to the x-axis. So sometimes people get confused with this. If a y coordinate, a y value is telling you how far up or down to travel, you're moving away equidistantly from the x-axis. So you're actually moving away parallel to the x-axis, okay? I just wanted to throw that out there. It's not a major thing to harp on, but I just want to give you guys really clear understanding and perspective on how to navigate the two-dimensional coordinate plane. So look at these examples of points that lie on the y-axis. They all have an x-coordinate value of 0. So first you have 0, 2. Again, the x-coordinate has a value of 0 because you did not move to the right, nor did you move to the left. But you did move up 2 units vertically, so you have a vertical position of 2. Now we have 0, 4. Again, you did not move left or right. All you did was move vertically up to the numeral 4. And last, for more clarity, what if you were to have a coordinate with the values 0, with the x coordinate would be 0, of course, and the y coordinate would be 9. This indicates that you moved upward vertically 9 units, okay?